This is the BreazeHome version 5 proposal by Felipe Zuniga, Carlier. Hello everybody, my name is Felipe. A little bit about myself: I'm a full-stack JavaScript developer. I focus mainly on React.js, coupled with Node, Express, and MongoDB. A little bit about my experience: I have worked as a web developer before in both vanilla front-end and using full-fledged JavaScript frameworks. I've also worked briefly in the research field in the Discovery Lab here at FIU, and I've even worked as an IT guy in Miami Beach. Some of my skills include expertise in JavaScript, Python, Java, and C, as well as version control software like Git and GitHub, bash scripting, and the MERN full-stack framework, as I just mentioned. The current features of BreazeHome that interest me are the front-end design and the UI, mainly because coming from a JavaScript background, these things interest me a lot. And I feel like while the front page is intuitive, the results page, the search system is just very hard to use. Makes it puts a lot of strain on the user. Not very intuitive, and it's pretty buggy. So I feel like that needs a lot of work. Other than that, the new features of BreazeHome that interest me would be the mortgage calculator. I feel like this would be a very cool tool to implement, not only on the front end side, but also on the back end side. And I feel like it would be something, perfect for the user. It would make the website, stand out, because a mortgage calculator will basically let the user know if he or she can really afford the home or not. And it will basically also allow users to filter homes, basically, by whether they can afford the mortgage or not. So I think that I qualify for this feature because I have developed web applications using full-stack frameworks before, and I have experience developing applications, desktop applications in general, and I'm a team player. I'm a big team player, and I have experience developing applications in teams as well. So the project title that I'm proposing is the BreazeHome Mortgage Calculator, and it's going to include an easy-to-use online tool where the user is going to pick a home, and then through the use of a form, the user is going to provide us with some details, and with these details we're going to calculate, we're going to estimate a mortgage based on his or her situation. And I feel like this would be, very useful for anybody looking for a house. Nobody, the amount of people that pay, houses, full in cash is very little. So for the average home buyer, I feel like this would be a very useful online tool. So for this project, I would need 5 team members with skills in JavaScript and full stack development. I believe that we don't need a specific expertise in Angular and Django. However, it would be very useful. But with enough skills in JavaScript and Python, I believe that this can be done by people that don't even have experience in Angular or Django. And other than that, that's my project proposal. So for any questions regarding this video, please contact me at fzuniga005@fiu.edu. Call me on my phone, 786-451-7816. Text first, please, or just at me on Slack, which would just be at Felipe Zuniga Carlier. And for any questions about the BreazeHome project itself, please contact Dr. Sajadi at sajadi@cs.fiu.edu.